You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. Butch and I are going to check out KidDough products.
KidDough. KidDough's LPS-Dave.
Yes.
It's not KidDough, although that's kind of what it is. But it's by a company called KidDough's.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kiddos, for sending us this product and for an awesome name.
But I'm going to say with the capital K and the capital D, they wanted KidDough.
I don't know, LPS-Dave. In the meetings that we had, I think it was they were saying Kiddos.
Hey, kiddo, how you doing today? Like that. I got you.
That's how they address each other in the company.
We would call that a play on words. But we're going to play with dough instead.
Nice!
And did you give a thank you to KidDough for
Kiddos! Thank you, kiddo.
Okay. All right. Well, we have the Potion Kiddo Play Kit on the left, Play with Purpose. And on the right is Trick or Treat, Candy Corn Scented KidDough. And no, you can't eat it, okay? I'm going to tell you right now.
LPS-Dave, you knew my question.
It's not food.
You heard my stomach growl.
It's play with KidDough.
Play-Doh, kiddo.
All right, so let's turn the packages around. Let's see. It says, our magical doughs will brew up creativity.
Play with purpose, LPS-Dave.
You're going to have to read that. That's kind of
brother.
small for me. I don't know.
Designed by moms and approved by kids, every sensory dough play kit is filled with magic. Each dough is handcrafted with love and the finest natural ingredients, making it the softest, smoothest, and most pliable dough you've ever played with. That's a challenge right there, LPS-Dave. You've played with a lot of dough in your life.
I have. I've done
made a lot of dough.
A lot of videos.
Our whimsical play kits were made to engage your child's sensory needs while building motor skills and inspiring imagination.
That's nice. I'll tell you what, though. Let's just move this out of the way because I want to zoom this in for everybody because there's a lot of little key points there.
Good thinking, LPS-Dave.
And now read the bullet points one by one.
Be my guest, LPS-Dave.
Sensory engaging scents and textures.
Nice.
Natural and non-toxic.
Good.
Long-lasting. Washable. Fun scents and glitters. This one here in the yellow and white, I cannot read very clearly.
Too bright, LPS-Dave.
Too bright.
I don't think it says that.
Something skills.
Contains flour, salt, canola oil.
All right, let's move on here. And it looks like there's a
packaging.
A lot of cool stuff inside there, isn't there? So there's a little tub, and then there's little vials, or what would you call those? Little canisters of potion? Well, either way, let's check out the next one here. Let's move this one out. Let's put this one in, because I think we're actually going to do this because, it's so close to Halloween.
It is.
Okay, so let's see. Super pliable, sanitizable, washable, long-lasting.
They made that word up.
Non-toxic and all-natural.
They didn't make that word up.
Trick or treat, candy corn scented KidDough, and it looks like there's a little little pumpkin in their basket.
A pumpkin, a lot of goodies, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, those are really neat. Little things to play with and load up. Ooh, there's more in there that fell out of my pumpkin.
Now, what would be the rules about giving away kiddos things to trick-or-treaters?
I guess if you want to do it, I mean that would probably be the coolest house to go to.
Oh, I think you'd be the coolest kiddo on the block.
Yeah, I agree. All right, well, let's do this. We'll come back. We'll decide off camera which one we're going to pick, and then we will get started.
We'll do our usual arm wrestle.
All right, I think I really want to do
the
trick or
treat. Dave.
Did you like that intro?
You were right on.
Yeah.
Right on.
You did pretty good
I was
there.
a little off. I felt off.
I think you are. I think you're confused about eating and playing with
It's
stuff.
really, really hard for me. My stomach growls the minute you start mentioning candy corn.
Well, I'll tell you what. I say we do the trick or treat. What do you say?
I'm worried about that because I do think of food when I do that. So I'm thinking the potion one, LPS-Dave.
All right. Well, let's get started. All right. Butch and I agreed to do trick or treat.
Agreed. Agreed. 100%.
Well,
Careful, LPS-Dave.
I did win the arm wrestling, so you said.
All right.
And by the way, your little claw things. What do you call those? Toenails. Woo! Need a trimming.
That's my secret weapon in the old paw wrestle, LPS-Dave.
Yeah. All right. Ooh. Okay. So I see what's going on there. Ooh, it is squishy. Let's just do the typical dump.
See how much comes out.
Yeah.
Not stuck to the kid
on its own. I smell the candy corn.
Oh, my stomach's growling.
That smells good. We'll check out all the little tidbits in a second here. I want to try to extract
Look at
this.
that, LPS
Comes
Dave.
right out, and let's just plop it down. We're going to get a plop.
Plop.
Let's clean off our pumpkin basket.
Gotta have a clean pumpkin basket. That's number one rule going out for trick-or-treating, LPS
You know,
Dave.
you had a basket just like this for your trick-or-treating one.
I did. I've kind of tapered back my trick-or-treating this year, LPS Dave.
Really just...
I didn't start as early as I normally do.
Oh, yeah, you would start in, what, June?
You want to get out and kind of get a lay of the land, LPS Dave. Knocking on doors.
Yeah, early. By the way, I'm going to be trick-or-treating here come October. Is there any chance you're going to have anything good?
Have you ever heard of the company KidDough? Would you consider giving away their products on Halloween?
Yeah.
That's what I would say.
That's a good idea. I like these little pieces here. They're very
They
cute.
are treats.
Yeah, but I like the little worms.
Are there any tricks, LPS
And these
Dave?
are like plastic candies. No. And then that's another plastic candy with a little ghost. This is a little plastic candy with a skull. This is a little one with, well, I'll tell you what. Let's see if we can just zoom right in.
Zoom away, LPS
We got to
Dave.
zoom right in. We're going to angle the camera. Here we go. Product zoom. How's that? Pretty cool.
Pretty nice, LPS Dave.
And then you have this black with stars. It's a lollipop. And this would be considered a sucker, right? With a pinwheel. And you've got these two little wormies. Now, this is all hard plastic. And even the candy corns and the teeth. Ooh, those will look good on you.
Those are scary, LPS
Those
Dave.
are very scary. And
Do they all fit in the pumpkin is the question.
Well, of course they do.
Oh.
I mean, why would they not?
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. That would be the point where I'd go back to the shop, dump out the first load, and go back for more.
Yeah.
Round two.
We missed all that because I was zoomed in so close, not paying attention. We shall do it again so everybody sees exactly what I did. I took this, and then 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 this. And I just like that sound. I will say
Nice,
the
LPS.
smell is absolutely wonderful.
It's candy corny.
Now, most of the time, you know me, I'm quite scent intolerant to certain smells. Any kind of perfumey smell. I can't walk into a candle store.
Right.
Nope.
Right.
Can't do it. Oh, but this smells good.
You are in the scent-free zone, LPS
I
Dave.
think I want to get one of my little boards down here, and then we'll play with the KidDough.
We'll make candy corn.
Okay, so I have my handy-dandy little glass cutting board.
Remind me of one thing, LPS Dave.
What's that?
With candy corn, are you a white, orange, yellow person or yellow, orange, white person?
I think I like
pop it in.
the base, whatever the color of the base is. Let's see, is that orange? Because, oh no, it's yellow.
I think yellow's on the bottom.
Because that's going to have the most, right? The bigger the base. Oh, the middle. What's the biggest? Yes,
Orange
I'm
is the
right.
longest.
Orange is the one I really
You
want.
can't eat orange first. It's almost impossible.
Orange, you happy? All right, let me just save some of the original color off on the side. Okay, let's take this one here.
Just a little bit.
Let's take some of this one here. I want the purest of the pure color. Oh, I don't like that. Size comparison difference here. Squishy, squishy. And one more squishy. So I have all the original colors.
I want to keep them unadulterated, LPS
Yes.
Dave. Pure. Because I have a feeling I know what's coming next.
Yeah, we're going to actually make a giant candy corn next. But since these are melding, I know I'm using words that you're not used to.
Kiddo, 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 kiddo.
Are you seeing my giant candy corn yet?
Vaguely, LPS Dave. It's actually more like a Halloween snowman.
Okay, but it's getting there. You can't tell the difference between mine and the ones that come in the packaging. Look at that. See?
Not too bad, LPS Dave. You put a little eyes, a nose, and a mouth on that. A couple of stick arms sticking out of it, and you got yourself a Halloween.
That would be funny. And I can make little arms like this. And I can give them this arm here.
Yes!
And for a mouth, we'll give them this.
He just happens to have a mouth that's handy right there, LPS Dave.
Fangs down, fangs down.
Oh, that's nice.
And for the eyes, we will take the white. And we'll put them in this section here. You
You can give him little horns as well, LPS Dave, or curly cues coming out of his head if you'd like.
I think we'll give him some hair.
Good thinking.
Is that what you're saying? Like this? Or make those his ears. Look at that.
He's a Viking candy corn man.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, LPS Dave.
I like that.
That's our Halloween mascot for the year.
Okay, let me just take a piece of our mascot apart here.
Ouch!
We'll put him with this, and we'll put him with this, and we'll just do this just to start the process of playing.
Do you think the colors are going to meld together?
That's a good word.
Just came up with that.
I like it too. What would you call that? The swirl of candy
gruesome,
corn?
LPS Dave. Gruesome.
No, I don't think that's the word we want.
If you melted a piece of candy corn, what color would it come out to be when you mixed it all together?
It's going to be this color. Close to it.
I'll bet you're right.
Look at that. Okay, so that...
I would have never guessed that, LPS Dave. It's almost gray.
Well, I guess you could say it's almost gray. I mean, depending on what you
I
see.
can say it's almost gray.
Yeah. Okay, so that's that. So now if you just take... I'm sorry, Viking.
You kind of leaned over there, didn't you?
Yeah, sorry, buddy. Just these two colors. You should just have a lighter version of it, right? The white doesn't have a major effect.
It's not a bright, vivid white like the true candy corn. I think that's hard to recreate in the dough.
Yeah, it's almost pure white. Okay, that's just the two colors mixed like that.
Just
See
a
the
slightly
difference?
darker gray.
See the difference? You add a little white in there and you'll have a little variance there. I'm just going to see how these little fellas stick. These are little like gummy bears with skeletons in them. You see that? Let me see if I can hold that up for everybody to take a closer look.
Fancy LPS.
Isn't that cool?
He almost looks like he'd glow in the dark.
That one probably would.
Wow.
Okay, I'm going to separate these again. Hold that one there. Hold that one there. Needs to be a little
Top
thicker.
heavy, LPS Dave.
That
Top
one-
heavy.
That one is very top heavy. Okay, so let's just take a piece and I can show everybody when you pull it. It's very soft. See that? Is it mesmerizing?
It's got nice structure, LPS Dave.
Look at the dough. Now watch as I pull the dough. Look at the dough.
Getting very sleepy.
The dough is stretchy. The dough pulls apart. The dough. Okay. Whew, got rid of him. At least for a second we could all breathe and think here now. You must be having dreams. Okay, so now I'm remixing these to kind of get a more complete of the one color and kind of mix out the other color. Ah, it's so peaceful.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Hey, LPS Dave.
Hey, what's up?
What you doing?
Nah, I'm just working with KidDough.
KidDough. I'm not familiar
Yes.
with that.
No? You must have been dreaming.
What? Where am I dreaming now? Wait a second.
You are actually in a dream.
What have you
Three
made,
candies.
LPS Dave?
I'm
This
just
is
showing everybody what you
fantastic.
could do with KidDough. Look at that. It's a little candy store. Welcome to my candy store.
Endless possibilities,
Yeah,
LPS
I think
Dave.
at some point I'm just going to have to mix it all. This was always one of my little... Do you mix the dough? Don't you mix the dough? Do you mix the dough? Don't you mix the dough?
Well, I love how you've preserved some in its original state.
Yeah, we'll leave that there.
Dave.
I'm just going to roll it out.
State of confusion.
Roll it out.
Making candy corn pasta.
Roll it out. No, we're going to do the candy corn twist. Look at that.
Cruller.
So that's what it starts as. And then as you twist and turn and stretch, the dough starts to be really soft. and really soft.
Okay.
And you look at the colors of gray,
Okay.
light gray,
Sleepy.
dark gray. Okay, good. Whew. All right, so then when you mix the colors like this, you get these cool swirls of colors. Look at that. Oh, that's neat. I don't know what I would call that. I think I'll zoom into that so you can get a really close-up look. And I'll turn down the lighting just a skosh so that you get that. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's so peaceful. It's like a candy of dough. I'm going to mix these all in. It's now a find it. You've got to find the different items. Oh, it's nice to just do a video with the quiet silence. Okay, now just mix all these in. Now you have to find them. Well, this is ready to go in now. Okay, what's the first one we find? We find the worm. And now we find one candy piece. Now you can squish it and feel it. Out pops a candy corn. And out pops another candy corn.
I smell candy corn.
It is, because this is candy corn KidDough.
Wow.
Welcome to the video. Where are you?
Hi, LPS-Dave. What are you doing?
I'm working on KidDough.
KidDough. It smells like candy corn.
It does. It's scented. And
Do
it's
we have any candy corn?
We don't.
Oh.
And it's a very pleasant smell. There, I think I got... Oh, look. Out pops one little bear.
It's candy corn that's got toys inside of it, LPS-Dave?
Well, this is scented dough. And you just play with it, and you squish it, and you meld the colors together.
You look like you're having a blast, I have to say.
It does feel very nice in my hands. I'm not getting any sticky residue or wetness. Or... I am smelling like candy corn, though. Wait, I feel something else. I missed it.
Uh-oh.
All that squishing, and there was a wormy in there.
Is that good?
That's good.
Okay, good.
We were trying to find it with the dough. All right,
That's a lot of toys, a lot of prizes, LPS-Dave.
It is.
Wonder if anyone's ever thought about giving this away on Halloween.
I don't know.
Just came to mind.
You mean like if you went trick-or-treating and someone handed you a tub of KidDough and you'd say, oh, thank you. That's a nice trick-or-treat.
Seems like they'd be pretty popular, LPS-Dave.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right. What do you think?
Wow.
Pretty cool?
It looks like a pumpkin, LPS-Dave.
It looks like a pumpkin.
That's a great pumpkin.
I guess we could make a pumpkin out of it. That's a good idea. You just take this like this, roll it up. We'll give it the pumpkin stem.
Yep.
We'll give it the pumpkin teeth. And we'll do candy corn eyes.
Oh,
We put them
man.
this way and stick them in like that.
Wow, LPS-Dave.
Look at that pumpkin.
That is freaky looking.
That is cool.
Wow.
I think it needs one more piece of hair, though.
I wondered if you stacked 3 of these on top of each other, if it would be like a snowman pumpkin.
It would probably be more like a candy corn. Yeah, we did that.
What?
I did that earlier.
What? Where was I?
Probably, I don't know what you were doing, honestly.
Huh.
Very cool. All right, well, there you go. It is KidDough. I'll probably get to that other set at a later date. We just wanted to show you this one and how cool it is.
It's pretty cool, LPS-Dave.
It is.
It's KidDough-licious. No, it's not KidDough-licious. You can't eat it.
It's KidDough fun.
Yeah.
That's better.
I like that.
All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. We do appreciate it. If you want to look in the description area, I'll put a link to them and some other information about them. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.